for joining us today. We are live with Insurance Plus again, where we are hosting a 10-part video series entitled Experience the Plus. This week's Agent Spotlight is with Eric Payne. Eric, it's so great to be joined with you again.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Eric and I go a little bit further back. Just this spring, we hosted Pain-Free Advice with Eric Payne, and that went over well. So I'm so happy to be here with you again. What type of insurance do you specialize in at Insurance Plus?
Well, I think you can kind of see the banner behind me. I'm specializing in farm and crop insurance. Of course, I can write everything besides health insurance. But yeah, that's really my bread and butter would be the crop, multi-peril, hail, and farm auto insurance.
Perfect. How many years have you been at Insurance Plus?
I have been here for 9 years last February, so a little over 9 years.
Wow. What do you like best about your job?
Well, I mean, I think it'd be hard for me not to say that I enjoy working with the people and helping them understand insurance. Because really, I mean, this business is more of a people person than anything, or people business, than anything. Mm-hmm. It's the relationships we develop. It's helping them understand their policies and being there for them in a time of great need when it's a lost time. And so that's probably the best part of our job, for sure.
Absolutely. And you've kind of been there for, with some clients, multi-generational. You know, you're there to kind of walk them through the next steps as the next generation kind of transitions over. So what can a person expect when doing business with you, Eric?
Well, I mean, I feel like I give my 110% every day, and that's that's being here for them, whether it's 8, 9 o'clock at night or a weekend or whatever. They've all pretty much got my cell phone, so and things don't just happen from 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. I mean, they happen all the time. And so I would say if you're doing business with me, I'll be there for you when you're in need.
Absolutely. And always going the extra mile. And we know that about Insurance Plus, and we know that about you. What do you say is one of the benefits, because you have the ability to actually shop the market and work with multiple companies. So can you give us a little bit of an explanation and the benefits of that?
Yeah, I mean, so we're an independent agency, which I'm sure maybe some of the agents prior to this have said. But that means we are an agency that writes for multiple different companies. And by doing that, we're able to shop the market, find the best price at the best coverage at the best price. But yes, there are benefits to placing all your business when it comes to farm, for instance, having your farm and your autos and your umbrella all with the same company. They'll give you the multi-policy discount.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that's not the same in crop insurance. There is no discounts of any kind. Premiums exactly the same no matter which company or agency you're with, but that's where we come into play as experienced and knowledgeable agents, helping you along and understanding that policy. So,
absolutely. You're basically the walking book of knowledge for them, and there to help them pick the right policy for their needs.
Right.
So tell us a little bit more about you, Eric, your family, your hobbies, anything like that.
Sure. So I'm married with my wife, Megan, who is from Texas. I'm originally from Aberdeen here, and the Leola area. Grew up on a cattle ranch west of Leola where my mom and dad still ranch with my sister and brother-in-law. And my wife and I have 2 small children, a 6-year-old Presley and a 4-year-old Kylie, who just started her first year of preschool. So that's our family, I guess. For hobbies, I really enjoy to play golf. I enjoy hunting and fishing. So that's kind of what we enjoy doing. And my wife enjoys making wood projects. So our garage is always full of wood projects.
Oh, and I bet she has you help a little too, right?
Oh, a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Now, you're pretty active in the community, and plenty of people have seen you around, and your community involvement really makes you stand out, of course. But how can people get a hold of you if they'd like to talk farm or crop or really anything?
Sure. So I have a direct line here at the office, which is 225-4313. or you can always reach my cell phone at 290-9275, or my email address, which is Eric, ERIC, at ins hyphen plus plus.com. And you can reach me any of those three ways.
And of course, if you're watching this video right now and you have a question for Eric, please be sure to drop it in the comments below. We'll get it over to Eric or anybody at Insurance Plus, really, and be sure to get those questions answered for you. Eric, thank you. It's always a pleasure. I enjoy talking with you, and we will see you guys again next time for another episode of Experience the Plus with Insurance Plus. Have a great day.
Thanks.